All right, guys. So we got the first four pistons in. I was checking the deck height and everything. I'm not too sure this stupid base that I've got is not real accurate, but it looks like we're about maybe 4,000 in the hole. So I've ordered a deck bridge to get a more accurate. Actually, ordered a more solid base that we can get a more accurate reading on the pistons in the hole. But nonetheless, cleaned up these cylinders. I'm going to oil them up and getting 5, 6, 7, and 8 ready to go in. Going to wipe everything down with the lacquer thinner. Both sides of the bearings, inside of the rods, and then get the ARP lube on all the bolts. Get that ready to go. That's the dirtiest part. And then we'll put some oil in the cylinders and everything, and we'll get these 4 knocked in, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. Thank you.